We have the setup in Raspberry Pi. So here there is ultrasonic sensor which measures the distance with a field of view of somewhere in 40 degrees, 67. So the beep also we can hear it at a warning level beep. We are decreasing the distance further, and the beep level also increases. Keeping it closer, distance we have reduced so low, and it is now beeping continuously, which is a danger situation. I'm trying to move the object away, so it's saying retreating and it's safe. And the collision risk also reduces. And there is this mode when you press U, it will change to ultrasonic mode, so which depends the ultrasonic sensor and fuses the optical distance data. This now getting it closer, and the object is really close now. Here the pointer also shows the distance level and the path. Now we can see the object is getting tracked. So now it is 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters. So it's entering now. It's at the uh, left side. So it is entering the path which is the risky area where the object might collide. So once it crosses, it is safe to go. So it is showing the in path when it is on the path of the vehicle. Once it crosses, it shows its monitoring, and the risk level also is getting reduced in that. Here there is a calibration window where we can set the distance and the width of the object that we are tracking, and there are other parameters which are not triggered right at the calibration stage. So and here we can, in the dashboard, we can see the distance of the object, speed of the object, and the vehicle speed what we have set already, and the time for collision. So this is time for collision is calculated based on three different things: speed of the vehicle, object, and the distance with which it is approaching. Also the approaching speed of the object. There are different rings with which it shows different level of warning. It shows at the first border it is warning, and then it is the beep level. Also there are 4 different levels of beep with which this happens. First one is at lower frequency. Closer the object approaches, the closer, when the higher the frequency of beep, so that user can be more alert. It gets time to act upon braking or maneuvering properly.